Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you uniform and non-uniform speed. So our topic is uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Chapter 13. In previous classes you also know the speed, average speed, time. First thing, uniform speed are in, that is when an object moving with a particular distance in definite time interval, means definite distance travel in definite time interval, that is say to the uniform speed. Means any object that again an object A moves to B position, that is time taken 1 hour. Now B to C position, that is time taken 1 hour. So, and distance covered, that is 10 kilometer and 10 kilometer. So, that distance travel of the object from, that is the A point to B point and C point, A to B and B to C. The time distance is 10 kilometer. Now, also distance is 10 kilometer and time is 1 hour and time is 1 hour. Means definite time interval travel a distance of definite distance and definite time interval travel definite distance. So that is say to the uniform speed travel by that object, that is the uniform speed. If now another non-uniform speed, if the object travel, now non-uniform, if the object travel 10 kilometer in 1 hour, now another distance 1 hour in travel 15 kilometer, either say to that is travel 5 kilometer 1 hour and T2 in, that is 15 kilometer per 15 kilometer in 1 hour. So that is the 1 hour in distance travel 5 kilometer, another 1 hour in distance travel 15 kilometer. So that object say to the non-uniform speed because the time interval is 1 hour and distance travel 5 kilometer. Now another distance, that is the 15 kilometer and time taken 1 hour. So that is not definite distance in definite time interval in travel. So that is say to the non-uniform speed. Now another way I explain, if an object covers equal distance in equal time interval of time, then the time speed graph of an object is a straight line parallel to the y-axis. So now that is x-axis and y-axis, one side taken distance and another side taken time. So time axis body is moving with uniform speed. Now taken this type of graph, that is x-axis, that is y-axis, now origin, and that is time t, and now that is the distance now that is the distance in kilometer, now in hour. So if 10 kilometer in 1 hour, now another 10 kilometer in 1 hour, now 10 kilometer is 1 hour, this type. So that is the projection of a straight line. So that is So that is uniform speed graph. Uniform speed graph. That is that graph the definite time interval in definite distance are travel. 1 hour in 10 kilometer, another 1 hour in 10 kilometer, another 1 hour in 10 kilometer. So that graph is projected, that is the uniform speed graph, that is travel in definite distance in definite time interval. So that is uniform speed. Now another graph, that is non-uniform speed, that is x by, and that is time t, and origin, that is distance travel in kilometer, and that is in hour. So taken 10, 20, 30, now 1, 2, 3. So that is travel, these types of graph. So 10 kilometer in 1 hour, another 20 kilometer in 2 hour in, now that is the distance are in, that is 18 kilometer. Now that distance is 3 hour in 29 means 9 kilometers. So that is the non-uniform speed, means irregular time in indefinite distance is travel, that is non-uniform speed. And two graph is plotted, that is uniform speed, that is non-uniform speed. Okay, thank you.